So I'm about to try to do it this way. When somebody tries to control your every move, tries to block you from working with your spiritual path, with your destiny, want to keep trying to make it seem like they know what they're doing, they're trying to prove you out to be this liar, to be this fraud. Let me tell you something. They're literally proving that they're an abuser. Any person that keeps trying to control your life, tear you apart, try to make it seem like you're this bad person, they're straight up an abuser. They are showing you their abusive nature. This is why I've been looking at my decisions carefully, my options carefully, so I can make that decision. And the energy that I just had, somebody want to keep trying to send their controlling energy, trying to project their energy off onto me. It's like, it literally shows that you're an abuser. Somebody that tries to make you believe in something the way they believe in it, you do not, especially when your mindset has already changed, you do not have to see something the same way that somebody else sees it. You will see the truth in a situation. You will wholeheartedly see the truth in a situation, in certain situations in your life. And what's funny to me is my options, they're mad at me because I'm not making a decision. That's because they're showing me that they are trying to control me. They are also showing that they're an abuser. I have watched my mother go through abuse, my grandmother go through abuse. I've watched so many people go through abuse. My grandmother, the way she handled herself, I still love to this day. And I'm proud of her for sticking up for herself the way she did. You don't have to have an abusive man or an abusive woman. People just trying to get their way in life. All the abuse you will see. And that wouldn't be, you will literally be able to make the decision to cut that person off. I don't deal with the abusers, and that person will be one person that get kicked to the curb. That healing is definitely needed. What God has for you is for you. So people want to try to keep you stuck because they need your energy at their company, your energy that's your money, they need at their company, but they've been abusing you, calling you a liar, saying you're this, you're that, you're this. Goodbye. That abuse is not welcomed.